Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, two numbers in the base system B are 2061B and 601B. The sum of these two numbers in decimal system is 432. Then find the value of 1010B in decimal system. Now we have 2061B plus 601B to be equal to 432. We get from here 2B cube plus 6B plus 1 plus 6B squared plus 1 is equal to 432, or 2B cube plus 6B plus 6B squared is equal to 430. From here we get B to be equal to 5. So 1010 to base 5 is equal to 1 into 5 cube plus 0 into 5 squared plus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 5 to the power 0 gives us 125 plus 5, that is 130. So option C. The next question is, a water tank has M inlet pipes and N outlet pipes. An inlet pipe can fill the tank in 8 hours while an outlet pipe can empty the full tank in 12 hours. If all pipes are left open simultaneously, it takes 6 hours to fill the empty tank. What is the relationship between M and N? Now, 1 hour of work of one inlet pipe is equal to 1 by 8. So 1 hour of work of M inlet pipes is equal to M by 8. Similarly, 1 hour of work of one outlet pipe equals 1 by 12. And 1 hour of work of N outlet pipes becomes N by 12. So according to the question, M by 8 minus N by 12 equals M minus N by 6, or 6M minus 4N by 48 equals M minus N by 6, or 6M minus 4N equals 6 equals 8 into M minus N, or 2M is equal to 4N. And from here we get M by N is equal to 2 by 1. So the ratio is 2:1, that is option B.